Geekstronomy. Thanks for joining us. We're doing one of our unboxing videos, and this is for the Imperial Armored Commando. This figure is available now from Hasbro, and it's a pretty sweet figure. It was in The Mandalorian. Well, the character was in The Mandalorian. The figure wasn't in The Mandalorian. Anyway, it's for ages 4 and up. It is currently available at all retailers. Let's pop this open, shall we? Figure comes with 2 blasters and a jetpack. Oh man, he's really in there. Hey. This figure has head and neck joint, shoulder joints, pose them, single elbow joints, a chest joint, hip, no thigh joint, single knee joint, and foot and ankle joints. This character comes with, like I said, 3 accessories. There are two blasters, a blaster pistol and a blaster rifle. The pistol fits in the holster. I really like when the figures come with holsters to hold the guns. Let's get the rifle in his hand. I think this figure is pretty cool. Honestly, they go on sale. I'm picking up some and I'm going to have a little army. The backpack, as you see, has 3 connector points. That thing's not going anywhere. It's currently available from Hasbro. It's also at Target, Walmart, and Amazon. Retail is $24.99, as all Black Series seem to be right now. Pick yours up today because it's really cool. Honestly, I don't see these popping up at Ollie's anytime soon. So grab yours while you can. Again, this is the Imperial Armored Commando from The Mandalorian. These were Moff Gideon's forces. Their armor is Beskar, so pretty cool. Please follow Geekstronomy on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Blue Sky, and of course, www.geekstronomy.com. This has been James. Stay geeky.